Hello students, today we shall move on to a new module number 5, special concrete. In that first we shall learn about ready mix concrete. Ready mix concrete is not any type of concrete, it is just mixed at a batching plant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ನ ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? So the definition goes like this. The RMC is a concrete that is manufactured in a factory or batching plant and then delivered to a site in plastic condition by truck mounted in transit mixers. See, observe here. In this figure, you can observe these two structures, what you are seeing, those are called as silos. SILOS, silos. Some may pronounce it as silos as well. At the bottom, you can observe the hoppers. Through these hoppers, the calculated amount of materials like cement, aggregates, sand, etc. is transferred to a mixing mixer, and it is transferred through a conveyor belt into a transit mixer. Transit mixer truck, which look like this. So this truck will carry the materials, and then in the meantime it will be mixing along its way. Okay? So we have different types of RMC, that means ready mix concrete. The ready mix concrete can be classified as centrally mixed concrete, truck mixed concrete, shrink mixed concrete. So we have three types of ready mix concrete. Centrally mixed concrete is that type of concrete which is mixed at the batching plant itself. Batching plant alle mix ಮಾಡಿ and then it is taken into the transit mixer truck and it is transported to the construction site ಗೆ send ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. While traveling also, this transit mixer will be rotating at a speed of 2 to 6 rotations per minute. And then the next type is truck mixed concrete. Here, all the materials are put inside the truck mixer, transit mixer, or drum ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. And then while traveling itself, the transit mixer will be rotating. This rotation will be at a speed of 4 to 16 rpms. So this type of concrete must be laid within 190 minutes of mixing. Andre, the moment you add the water to the concrete, the time starts. So within 190 minutes, that means around 3 hours, before 3 hours it has to be placed. So the next one is shrink mixed concrete. Here, some part of the concrete is mixed at the batching plant itself. That means RMC plant. And then, while traveling also, the truck mixer will be uh, working. Now let us look into the problems which are faced in site mixed concrete. See, the very first major problem is when we have mass concreting, we have to stock too much materials. Say about for a small residential building, we need around 100 bags of cement, around 3 to 4 trucks of sand, 3 to 4 trucks of aggregates. So to store all these materials at a construction site, it will be very difficult and it will be very difficult to manage. The labor force will be higher. The quality of the concrete by doing hand mixing or any type of site mixing is not under control. There will be no control over the water cement ratio. The variation of mixing time will also affect the strength of the concrete and it will not be uniform in nature. Uh, mm, Moreover, environmental pollution, the dust and noise pollution for the neighbors will be very irritating for them. So to avoid all these things, we can adopt RMC, where when you bring the concrete from the RMC plant, you can directly pour it into the wherever it is necessary, the molds or into the formworks. The major advantages of going for RMC are multi-transportation of materials is eliminated. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತರಬೇಕು, ಜಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So a lot of work is there. So all those things can be eliminated. We can directly pour the concrete into the form. The next one is the water cement ratio can be controlled according to the design mix. We can actually control the water cement ratio, as well as lower labor and supervisory costs. No need for ordering the materials. Uh, Uniform quality of concrete. Time is saved at the site. uh, there will be pollution-free environment, speedier construction. The speed of construction is higher. Minimization of cement wastage. The eco-friendly product. All these are some of the advantages in RMC. So if you look into the disadvantages of the RMC, the installation of plant itself is very expensive. So at the beginning, the initial cost for RMC plants is very high, and it is not suitable for small quantity of concrete. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟಿಂಗು, ಫ್ಲೋರಿಂಗು ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ this RMC may not be helpful. This RMC, you can go for RMC only when there is mass concreting is required. ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಸಮಯ. See, usually a truck transit mixer has the capacity of carrying around the normally 5 to 6 meter cube of concrete capacity. So for a small slab, you may require around 15 meter cube of concreting. That means two to three RMC trucks you may require for a small house around 30, 40 site, uh, that kind of slab, you know. So sometimes some sites are too far, though, so admixtures has to be added, like retarders, because while traveling the concrete may get hardened in the truck itself. So to avoid that, we have to add some retarders to slow down its hardening property. Yeah. So next one is, it is costlier about 10 to 15% of the normal concrete. If you are going for economical means, as, with good supervision of uh, mixing at the site itself is very good. But when it comes for mass concreting, actually it is beneficial. So the cost is on the higher side, obviously. The transportation is limited to very small area within a radius of 9 to 15 kilometers, because if the truck travels for a longer distance, uh, the concretes will get hardened, and it will become very difficult to pump the concrete from the mixer to the construction site wherever it is necessary. It may be required at first floor, second floor, or third floor, or even maybe 10th floor. We can pump the concrete from the transit mixer directly to that site. So that is one advantage. But if you travel for a longer distances, this concrete is going to get hardened. So it will become very difficult to manage. So that is one disadvantage. So these trucks can only be used for uh, they were only this purpose, only for RMC purpose. So those trucks cannot be used as a multi-purpose one. So if someone has planned or uh, running a RMC plant, those trucks are used only for those purposes. In the examination, they might ask you the difference between site mix concrete and ready mix concrete. So the quality of mix is not uniform in site mix, whereas it is uniform in ready mix concrete. No control over water cement ratio. In RMC, we can control the water cement ratio. Variation of mixing time, controlled mixing in case of RMC. Require large labor force in RMC, require less labor force. In site mix, dust and noise pollution. In ready mix, a pollution-free environment. Uh, in site mix concrete, it is economical. In RMC, it is uneconomical. Require large space to dump materials. In RMC, it requires lesser space. So this is about the ready mix concrete.